Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time for the January 2021 dollar bead bag and dollar bead box opening. So I'm going to put the box aside. These are two separate subscriptions. So I've already pulled the beads out of the bag. So the dollar bead bag is $8 a month, and dollar bead bag subscribers can reorder January items through February 2021 at $1 a strand. The best deal on fire polish beads ever. So 4 strands of 3mm, 4 strands of 4mm. So let's go through them. So we have vintage purple luster, and I'll pull in so you can see them nice and close. Beautiful. It's a beautiful purple, sort of a mottled purple luster on that. It's gorgeous. Love. And the best quality and most reasonable, crystal vintage gold. So this is a crystal bead with sort of a vintage gold wash on it. Gorgeous. And then we have California Collection Blue Zircon. And I'm trying to see which one is which. I think it's this one. Okay, so this is their California Collection, and it's a beautiful sort of matte bead. A little bit of a luster, and it has the blue zircon in it. Gorgeous. Love. You know I love all their finishes and their lusters and such. California Collection Rose Bronze. So here's the bronze, and you see that rose, the rose beads in between. That's gorgeous. Love it. Very pretty. I love all these metallics. They're gorgeous. Okay, 4mm strands. Crystal vintage green purple. It's got to be this one. I love this for the spring coming up. Look at that. I love the purple on that. That's really pretty. Vintage gold iris. Again, this beautiful matte, lustery iris bead. Different hues in there. Very pretty. And then we have crystal half blue iris. So this is, see the blue iris on there with the crystal bead. So you get that pop of like iris blue. And then light rose gold luster. Very pretty. Love anything rose with gold. Very pretty. So again, $8 a month. Coupon code Bronzepony, Bronze2. I'll put it up there in the description box below the video. $2 off your first bag, box, or anything on their website if you're a member. So I'm going to put these aside, and I'm going to grab the box and open that one. Okay, here's the box. So I have already opened it. So everything comes in tissue. I kind of tossed my tissue. All right, so you get all these strands. This box is as low as $18.50 a month. It goes up from there. It depends on how long your subscription is. The longer the subscription, you get more discount, and there's free shipping on certain subscriptions. So you really need to go to the website. Again, listed down below. Check it out, see if it's right for you. It's just a fun website to navigate as well. So here are all the beads. So we're going to start with the strands. Oh, look at that big chunky bead. Love that. All right, so first let's look at the letter. So they're wishing you a Happy New Year, and they have a New Year's resolution. It's to increase their interaction with you on all their social media platforms. So they have their Facebook, dollarbeadbox.com. They have Dollar Bead Box Unboxers. I'm a member of that group. It's so much fun. They're on Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest. So let's connect. All right, so here's our list. So we'll go through all the strands first. So we have 8mm fire polish beads, and these are crystal vintage blue zircon or crystal vintage vitriol. Okay, so I'm going to say that this is, I'm seeing a little blue, but not that much. This could be the vitriol. I'm not sure, but to me, this looks like a quartz bead. It almost has a little bit of a milky look to it, and then with that finish on it, that's cool. All right, so that's the first one. You get 16 pieces. 8 by 11 millimeter Czech glass melon beads, jet with silver wash. These are the ones that I looked at immediately. I just think these are so cute. Big chunky melon bead. I look at these for either a really, statement bracelet, which this is great, just put a bead in between, make a beautiful bracelet, or I use these for tassels. So I would have the tassel coming out of the bottom, bead on top, and, necklace. So I think it's perfect for either one. It might be just a really cool silver and black bracelet with maybe a silver bead in between, or maybe even like a crystal spacer bead. Okay, 3 by 5 millimeter Czech glass pinch beads. This is alabaster white with a light sage green luster. Gorgeous. I love the sage green in that. Very, very pale. You can barely see it, but it's very pretty. Luster. Look at that gorgeous luster. It almost looks like a pearl. So I'll pull it a little bit. And then we have 10 millimeter table cut flower, opaque turquoise with travertine. Love. These are so cute. All right, it's reminding me of spring already. These are adorable. Look how cute. Love those. And then we have 5 millimeter fire polish, crystal Zarat, 25 pieces. You get 10 pieces there. So 25 pieces. It's a pretty crystal with sort of a bronzy, I guess it's a Zarat finish. I'm not exactly, I know somebody mentioned what that was and I totally forgot, but it's very pretty. And then we have 4 millimeter Czech glass druck in medium aqua, 50 pieces. Of course, these drucks are awesome. They're nice and round, so you can really use them any place you need a round bead in. Who doesn't love aqua? And then one more, we have mushroom beads, which I skipped. 6 millimeter Czech glass mushroom beads in crystal vitriol, 25 pieces. This is the one I opened when I did the last clip, and then I'm redoing it, so I wanted to show it to you, so I wanted to free them. So here's a mushroom bead. It looks like a mushroom from the outside, but it's got, see where the, see if I get that on my finger, where the hole is? Right there. So it's almost like a drop bead, but it's like a big bulbous one, like a mushroom cap. That's gorgeous. I have a lot of these. Gotta pull those out. Okay, those are the strands. Get the rest of those out. And now we're going to do the additional items. So vintage Czech glass tabular pendant, jet with burnt red stripes. And this, you get one piece. So I love these tabular pendants. They're perfect little focal beads. And I don't know if you, oh yeah, I think you can. You see the stripes in that? That's really, really pretty. Almost tortoisey, but not. Little pendant. Perfect. And they have 17 by 20 millimeter Czech glass sugar skulls. So we have like getting quite a collection of sugar skulls. Brown travertine with turquoise wash. I love this color combo. I love it with this. Might have to make, what about making just a really cool charm bracelet with all the sugar skulls we have, or a necklace, with all the sugar skulls we have, because they do make adorable earrings, but I think it could be fun making, some like big necklace out of sugar skulls. 12 millimeter Czech glass 2-hole pyramid, alabaster white with travertine. I love these pyramid beads. They will be a video as a bracelet, necklace, something. Eventually I'll use everything. Just take some time. So these are very cool. Love. And then we have Czech glass flower, 14 millimeter, robin's egg blue with copper wash, 2 pieces. I love these. Look at that copper. I absolutely love copper these days. I'm getting quite a collection of copper findings, so I'll be using those copper findings instead of the gold or whatever, just for a change down the road. So already that's really a great combo right there for spring. Pretty little necklace just like that. Put some copper beads in between. So easy. 4 millimeter Swarovski crystal cube, article 5601, Rose AB, 2 pieces. This is a beautiful little cube. This is a as I said, 4mm cube, and I love the rose AB. Look how pretty that is. The rose AB has sort of it's rose, but then the AB gives it like so much more dimension. I wish I had about 5,000 of these. Really cool. But a nice little accent bead. If you don't want to spend, a fortune on 5,000 of them, you can use them as an accent bead on something. That's why I like, at least we have two, so that's good. 9 by 17mm Czech glass carrier beads. And like I said, last time we got carrier beads, I kind of missed the boat on making a necklace with these, but I was thinking, what if we made earrings? That way you don't have to do like 40 of them. So you did the peyote, make some really pretty peyote pattern, and it goes around it, right? And then you could actually put the chain here and the ear wire, and you can even put something under here too as well. So I think I will use them for that. Like, I don't know if I'll do a whole necklace, but I think making a pair of earrings could be fun. All right, Czech glass drops, 8 by 20mm alabaster. Let's see, Czech glass drops, 2 pieces, alabaster, alabaster white with purple copper luster. Okay, oh, that's this one. All right, looking at the wrong one. So these are gorgeous. Let me just make sure the 8 by 20mm. Okay, so I love these. I love when they give us these drop beads. All you need is 2 for a pair of earrings. All you need is 1 for a drop under a pendant. Like, let's say this was a pendant just here, or you had a pair of earrings like this, put a drop on the end. That's what I love about the dollar bead box, that you get these small amounts of these great little beads that you can add to something to make it really special. And then we have 8 by 13mm Czech glass melon drops, and this is funny because I almost ordered a whole bunch of these off Etsy a while back, and I forgot to place the order. So this is matte beige opal with turquoise wash, 2 pieces. So I think I had about 5 different colors in my cart of these beads, and I forgot to place the order. I just left it in my cart, and I just think these are so pretty. Again, a drop for something. Drops on a necklace. Just really pretty. So love that we have those. Now we have 7-inch Czech glass beaded chain, coral and pink. And we have several boxes where we got the chain, and I think the best thing, you could take this apart and use them as individual drops, but I think one of the best things you can do with this is 7 inches, add a clasp. You can make up to an 8-inch bracelet on this and make it a charm bracelet. So here you have your base, wrap a loop, maybe you wouldn't want to put the blue one on, but if you have, another color, and put all kinds of different charms. I might even put a blue charm on it, but put all different charms on it. You can put little flower charms on it. And so make your own charms and hang it from the loops here. I think that's like the coolest charm bracelet. So just a thought. And then 17 by 22mm Czech glass bumblebee, turquoise with copper wash. Again, I love the copper wash, and I love the bumblebee. Look how cute. A great focal piece at the end of a necklace, just right in the center. Use some turquoise or like real turquoise chips or something. Make yourself a nice chain. You can bezel this. We've bezeled these beads, so you can try a bezel on this one. You can hang a drop right here. I mean, there are so many things. This has got the blue in it. So many things you can do with these great focal beads. Whenever I need one, I go right to the dollar bead box when I'm looking for something unusual. And last but not least, 6mm Czech glass drop in opaque white. And you know what a fan of white and milky beads I am these days. Gorgeous. So these are stunning. They look like little white stones, like moonstones or something. Really pretty. All right, there's your dollar bead box. Don't forget the coupon code BRONZE2 for you to get $2 off your first box. Let me pull out a little bit. So here's your dollar bead bag, dollar bead box. Here they are together. Just a great collection of beads this month. They always surprise me with such really beautiful beads. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to go to the website, check it out, see if it's right for you. All right, take care. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.